Hi there, welcome to my channel. Are your loved ones living in a home that's perhaps too big or difficult to navigate for them now? Are they starting to feel isolated or overwhelmed and you're wondering if there's a better, safer option for them? Hi, I'm Pam Corning, a seniors real estate specialist and local realtor here in Plymouth County. I've helped families just like yours find a solution that feels right. Imagine your loved ones in a 55-plus community where they can enjoy new friendships and activities, or in a cozy one-level home or condo with no stairs to navigate and less maintenance to worry about. How do you make this happen? I have a 3-step plan. 1, we're going to chat about their needs. We'll discuss what would make your loved ones feel comfortable and secure. 2, tour the best options. We'll visit 55-plus communities and smaller homes that match their lifestyle. And 3, handle the move. I take care of the details so you can focus on supporting them through the transition. Let's talk about finding a fit for your loved ones. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Schedule an appointment with me today using the link below or reach out directly at 508-287-8319. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more information on 55-plus living in Plymouth County. See you next time.